The 24-hour tracking.
Here we go.
This is a severe weather alert from Forecast 8.
It is 5:30 right now. The larger screen there, that is a look up in Noblesville. If you step outside, yes, something is coming. There's that wind in the air. Just kind of a little preview.
Those brown leaves will be gone soon if the wind gusts as strong as we expect it will. Look at that line of storms. That's in western Illinois right now, tracking straight for central Indiana. Good morning. Welcome back today. We're on a very stormy day. I'm Scott Sanders.
And I'm Joy DeMann. And let's go now to Forecast 8 meteorologists Randy Olive and Ken Brewer, who are tracking this storm.
Yeah, one thing about the leaves out there, Ken, with the winds up to 50 miles an hour, the wind, the rain's going to bring a lot of leaves down here today. And the good thing about it, if you have a lot of trees, it will go into your neighbor's yard, so they have to worry about raking them later on. So, at any rate, I always try to be positive here.
That's right. But we are tracking the possibility of tornadic storms and then high winds moving in after that later on today.
Yeah, we do have a tornado watch, too. There it is, a tornado watch, the western half of the state, including Marion County. That's in effect till noon today, and the gut feeling is this will be expanded out here as the squall line does move in. Now, Viper radar quiet here, but, Ken, we're watching out for that squall line all up and down western Illinois right now. Orange boxes, severe thunderstorm warnings, and we've even had a couple of tornado warnings out a little bit earlier.
That's right, and this is going to be one of those situations, if we do see tornadic thunderstorms today, they are going to be what we call embedded in that line, which means that it'll be nearly impossible to see. They'll be rain wrapped inside that line, so it could make for a dangerous situation if that indeed develops here this
I
afternoon.
think we're going to see a couple of supercells popping out ahead of that main line.
It'd be interesting to see. It looks like so far most of it's been on the line itself.
Yeah, there it is on Forecast 8 Storm Tracker radar. We will track the line right there, the Illinois-Indiana state line, in about 3.5 hours from right now. And here in the metropolitan area, a little bit later than that. This is moving very quickly, thus the reason for the high winds in about 5 hours, 15 minutes. So, again, between 10, 11 o'clock this morning, looks like that squall line will start to roll through.
And really a rarity that we see here in Central Indiana is from the Storm Prediction Center, the bullseye for high risk of severe weather right on top of us here in Central Indiana. So at least some way, shape, or form, whether it's damaging wind, tornadoes, or just sustained high winds, we're going to see some nasty wind conditions develop throughout the day.
Yeah, Scott, Joy, also go to wishtv.com. We will be blogging away if you want to get the latest look at